What's up, everyone? It's your boy Stan with Stanley's Reviews. I'm out here in my sun deck. As you can see behind me, I have well over 12 inches of snow. It's melting slowly because today is 30 degrees. And my problem is getting this installed, which is a fab parts tool chest. It's actually the 5-drawer tool chest, and I'm gonna actually move this installation process inside the house so I can actually install this and get this prepared, because my issue in a nutshell is that there's too much snow out there and I can't seem to get, as you can see, there's my footprints back there. As you can see right back out here is my footprint, and I can't seem to get to my shed over there to actually bring out tools to install this. So that's also another problem in a nutshell. And inside the shed, there's a little plastic drawer that I actually put my tools in, and that's falling apart. So this is where this comes into play. I'm gonna go ahead and install this, review it, check it out with you guys. If you have any comments or if you own one, let me know in the comments below. And if you like this kind of content, feel free to hit the like button, and certainly don't forget to subscribe as well. I'm gonna actually go ahead and move this box inside and go about installing the whole thing inside the house instead of outside like I wanted to, because the snow is not forgiving. Let me get to the video further. Let's go, guys. All right. All right, guys, I'm able to move the operation inside the house. It's actually a little bit later in the evening. And the reason for that being is it's been so cold, I can't even manage to put together the fab 5-drawer rolling tool cabinet. So I'm gonna actually do the installation here, all the unboxing here, and put it together here and have it here so it doesn't rust either in the cold, because the snow is unbearable. We're supposed to get 1 more inch of snow this coming Sunday. So it just really doesn't seem like at any time we're gonna have a good little Indian summer where it's warm enough so I can actually do the video outside and pretty much put it in the shed where it needs to be. So I'm actually gonna do the installation here and have it stored inside the house in my basement, so that way when it gets warmer out, I can actually take it to the shed, and perhaps I'll do a short on that and move all my tools that are in the little plastic drawers that I have now into this right here, which is the 5-drawer rolling tool cabinet. So let's go about the unboxing. Let's get to the video further. So let's get to it. This is pretty much the assembly instructions. That's all it takes, and inside this box is all that you need to assemble. The handle, a bunch of bolts, and the wheels. Some of the wheels, actually there's 2 of them that actually locks, and there's 2 that do not lock. So as you can see, this one has a mechanism that locks the wheel in place so it doesn't move. So right now it's in lock position. And this one, it moves freely, as you can see here. So we're gonna go ahead and install the handlebar first, and we'll move forward with the installation of the wheels, and that'll be pretty much that for the video. Don't mind me, I had my hat on because I had to go outside when I first recorded the video. Didn't get a chance to check it out. And I have the tools necessary to get this done, obviously. So let's get to it. Let's go. All right. So put the handlebars, it looks like you have to go this way. Yep. Exactly how you do it. Let's see here. And there's a much smaller screw or bolt for this. Hopefully I bought the right tools for it. Should be 4 bolts. And the big bolts are for the tires, the wheels, so to speak. So the smaller bolt, which would be these 4 right here, are for the handlebar. And I'm hoping I bought the proper tool for it. Yes, I did. Let's go. And you can install this on the right hand side or left hand side. It's up to your choosing because there's actually holes on both sides. Once I put the wheels on, I'll be able to better showcase that to you guys as well. So let's get the second bolt in there. Or if you want, you can actually buy one from Fab as well, and you could buy another set of handles and have 2 handles on each side. So you'll have a handle here, you'll have a handle there, because there are actually bolt holes for that as well. So. All right, and that's it for the handlebar. Handlebar installs all set. Strong and sturdy. Booyah. Booyah. Nice. 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 And nice. All 4 drawer works. So now we're gonna move to the complex part of this, which is the wheels. at the top. And here's my little key. In order for people to steal my tools, they'll have to take the whole thing once I lock this. So that's what's so cool about it. Let's get to this further. Let's showcase it to you guys. So basically, I'm gonna put my tools in here, show it to you guys already. Boom. And there's the ratchet over here. These actually can go for better demonstration. So there we go. All right, guys. This is pretty much it in a nutshell. You have the top drawer where you can put your screwdrivers, wrenches, you name it, all in there. I'm pretty much gonna set it up a little bit better than this. Once the snow stops snowing and it stopped getting cold and I'm able to place it in its proper place. Obviously, I'm gonna put all my electric tools over here, drills, all of that over the top of it. And I'm gonna figure out what needs to go in here. All of my little ratchet and things of that nature will go in here. And obviously any other tools will go down there. And I do have plan on buying another one just to complete the set, make it 2, perhaps get a bigger one. And what's so cool about it comes with a set of keys. And you can just lock your tools in here like so. There's one drawer that's not closed, that's why it's not locking. So all the drawers have to be closed in order for it to lock. There we go. Now it's unlocked. Sorry, it's locked, but the top drawer is not locked. So let's go ahead and open that again. There we go. So now it should be all completely closed and locked, 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 and locked. That's what's so cool about it. And you can just unlock it to open any drawer you want. It makes a lot of noise, but it's effective. Very, very cool little cart. Strong and durable. You can repaint this if it gets rusty. You can prime it and sand it and repaint it if you want. Completely metal. Very, very nice to the touch. Easy to the eyes. And great for organization purposes. Thank you, Fab, for sending me this. For sure. Appreciate it. And I'm going to enjoy this as much as possible, especially in the springtime and the summertime when I got some DIY projects coming up. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe as well. Enjoy, guys. Peace. Welcome to Boston, where it's been about 3 weeks and the snow hasn't melted but 1 inch. We got 12 inches of snow. I can barely get outside. Can barely access my shed. Look at this, my footprint to the shed over there. And this shed, forget about it. Pool's covered. Everything's covered, and my fence has fallen down. Need to get that replaced as well. If you guys have any ideas on how to replace it myself, feel free to leave that in the comment below. But this is what we're dealing with this winter. and it's been one of the worst winters in history in the Northeast so far. Snow is not melting, it's freezing cold, 32 degrees, and nothing seems to be done Mother Nature wise to get it to melt.